time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, you're selfish, your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, sit tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters overnight, and now to them you shine bright.
Fragrance free.
Did you ever try to get somebody to pay attention to you when you're disabled? Well, that's how Binder and Binder got to be America's most successful Social Security disability advocates.
Like a lost kid.
Call 1-800-66.
When you looked up.
Today's Charter tip.
Oh. So I hit it twice when I hit the square. Hold up. And you shanked it. Game got on the line, you shanked it.
Hey, I'm the only one that had game time.
You don't,
for the win.
We don't believe it. It was on camera. Still moving.
I got you, okay?
I got it. Up! Remove me. Pretty good kick.
Huh?
That's a good kick. Watch yourself. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wrong way. That's you. Very low.
Huh?
I was very low. Oh my God, bro! I missed the ball. How are you always not playing with yourself?
If I'd have broken, I'd have said it was just warmed up from when James hit it.
I know that was all good when we got the scrimmage. Too much pressure now.
Oh my God! Hit it. Got it.
He's like, oh. I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret. That's not the first time I've hit that. Same spot too.
I ain't knew it. It was coming.
Look at Joe's on camera.
You didn't put yours on?
I tried, but I kick and then I watch the ball. Let me bring this down. There you go. Watch him straight mix it. Why are you always trying to hit you?
I don't know. Hey. You don't play with me. Game time right here.
Go, bro.
I was trying to curve it, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm trying to hit this, but I want to get hit.
Go ahead, just that high.
Can't ever hit his. Don't ever come my way.
It's really dirty under there.
There it is. Dang it! I'm gonna take out man. Whew. Come on, Josh, I need one from you. I need one from you.
When it's low, it's there.
What I'm upset about, he kicked it that way the whole time. All right, I got this one. Oh. Rose too much. And too far left.
My legs don't be sore tomorrow. That's how you do it, son.
Wasn't even in the camera. Wasn't even in the camera. You should have thrown up this, he should have threw up this.
It went straight through. You didn't get it on camera? You suck.
I down through ball. I think I'm gonna kick it up and make it through. I Doesn't go off to the side and hit man or something. I figured it was.
No, it went, hit, and landed like right behind you.
Caught straight all middle of the ball. Last one.
Oh, everybody.
One more. One more.
Last try.
What?
He's trying
Trying the
to
hardest
do his
shot
thing.
in basketball and I hit myself in the butt. On camera.
Who made it, Calvin?
Calvin made it. That'd been perfect, but it wasn't.
The first two
You're
were
still the master, K.
real good.